Page 40, the Ragged Gray Mare. We used to call this piece the Old Gray Mare, but you can call the old mare anything you want. I'm not getting into that. Let's talk about this. Is a fun piece. They say it's like a ragtime, but I'm going to swing the eighth notes eventually, but let's just play it the way it's written first. At the beginning, 4/4 time. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest and 1. And bring that right hand down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Notice the staccatos and the slur, so we're just going to separate those notes. They're not short. 2, 3, 4. Now these can be short. And in the left hand you have a sforzando there. It's a serious accent. And it's a staccato, short. Again, 2-1 on that FA. And then the third line, third measure, it's a half note in the left hand. So lift it up when you play the A in the right hand. 2, 3, going on the fourth line, wrist staccato. Bring out the top note if you can. Just put more weight on the top note. 2, 3, 4. Now, you can, if you want, do this with 3/5 in the left hand, because that makes it easier than when you get to the B flat, so you don't have to put a thumb on it if you don't want to. And then you DS al coda. DS, the sign is beginning of the second line. So we would go from here back to the beginning of the second line. Etc. And then the end of the third line, you have the coda sign. They don't need the words to coda. The sign does it. And the coda is the last line. So you're just going to go from there up to the last line, which is similar to the first line, which was the introduction. So it's just, the only difference is the last two measures. The right hand is up here. The last measure, it's a half note, 1, 2, and right when you play that staccato in the left hand, the right hand comes up. 1, 2, 3, like so. Now, once you have all that worked out, then go ahead and swing the eighth note. So count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Fun with it. It's just a fun piece to play. Let's play it together very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythm. So I'll give us 4 counts since it is in 4/4 time. So the right hand is here, left hand is here to start. And the hands move around. I haven't discussed any of that. I'm hoping by now you're getting the idea. If you can see in the music that the hands move. 1 and 2 and ready and go and rest, rest, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest. Two, three to the coda, rest.